Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. 23 Tesla Y full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus. No Fusion this time, just Ultimate Plus. But this one we put a 5-year ceramic over it. This person wanted a longer life in a ceramic, so instead of the 4-year with the Ultimate Fusion film, we went ahead and put a 5-year Fine Labs over that Ultimate Plus. So let's take a look at the install real quick. I'm sure you'll love it. And what we talk about with a lot of people is just getting all those edges wrapped. We want to make it look as if nothing's on the car, and it looks like nothing is on this car. So if that's the look you're looking for, it's just not about the look, it's about the longevity of the product, because since it's fully wrapped and the edges are all protected behind the panels, there's not going to be any problems with it. Nothing's going to peel back. The only thing you can do to damage this is intentionally try to do something to tear the bra. There's our emblem, all nice on top of the film, no cut marks around it. Everything's nice and clear. Coming around the fenders and the bumpers, nicely done, all full wrapped in. Around this headlight area, all that can wrap in there. You just need to have an installer that has the experience and the patience. Coming around these cameras, getting inside all these fenders to door, door to fender. Our mirror fully wrapped around. Getting into our A-pillars. Coming up here, this molding comes off, you won't see an edge. We wrap it inside here under the rubber. No way nothing's gonna touch that. All the way back. So there it is, everything's wrapped in here. This whole hatch fully wrapped in underneath this quarter window. Our handles, the big deal here, wrapping our handles in all the way now. We used to have a line run around here. We thought it was difficult, but I found a procedure that works and holds. So now we get our handles fully wrapped in. All these come off, so there's no line around there, and they snap back in place. They're just clips. Coming around our lights, fully wrapped in. All these corners capped off nicely. The wing, we don't take it off. We just line it up around there and bring it all the way in around this glass. And there it is, much more the same on this side, fully wrapping it into the electrical port. And then our doors fully wrapped, all edges, all 4 of them. So there you go. Another Tesla Y 2023 model. No more parking sensors, thank goodness. Makes it a much cleaner bumper. And there it is, 2023 Tesla Model Y, full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus with a 5-year ceramic, and the windows are tinted in 30% XR Plus for about a 96% heat rejection on that. And that's it, folks. So appreciate you watching. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com if you have any questions. 214-414-3809 if you have any questions. I'm Brent. Thanks for watching.